That is a powerful affirmation because it reinforces something that's inside your control, your actions and your behavior. You have heard about the importance of affirmations, but I see affirmations used the wrong way all the time. So the correct way to use an affirmation is to use it so that it reinforces your results producing process or your goal. So for example, let's say you work in sales and you know that the results producing process associated with closing sales is to make phone calls or to book meetings. So what you would want to do is to create an affirmation around that results producing process and repeat and read that affirmation to yourself day after day. So an example might be something like this. You know you have a particular sales target that you want to reach. And so you say, my intention is to close X dollar value in sales by this time. In order to achieve this goal, I will make 5 outbound sales calls each and every day, no matter what. That is a powerful affirmation because it reinforces something that's inside your control, your actions and your behavior. And when you affirm to yourself day after day, taking the right actions, the great results are always a natural byproduct of that results producing process, of that results producing action. So use affirmations to reinforce in your own mind you taking appropriate results producing action.